Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Rhino tutorials how to extrude to solid. As example, I will draw rectangles in this point, and if you use extrude command, extrude cube, press enter, select this object, enter again, and I will click at this point, and it will be automatically create for surface, not for solid. So if you want to extrude to solid, you need to change for option solid into yes. Tap extrude again, extrude cube, select these objects, enter, and then you can change in here solid into yes. You can click for extrusion and it will be create for extrude solid. Okay, that's it, how to extrude solid in Rhino. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.